A high-speed chase on I-40 ends with a suspect limping in traffic, caught after ditching his car, only to be exposed by his own phone. Meanwhile, another pursuit on I-630 sees a suspect bail with a lot of illegal stuff in his vehicle. This is Route 33, and you're watching your daily police reports. Trooper Byrd spots a gold Honda Accord on I-630. No seatbelts, no insurance. A simple traffic stop turns into a high-speed pursuit as the driver floors it, weaving through traffic and hitting over 80 miles per hour. The chase intensifies, leading to a risky tactical vehicle intervention, TVI.
I need to take the local lead to the cloud.
I'm thinking of one of those females. I had something like for 1311, including that, or something.
Again, Trooper spots now a silver Honda Accord speeding on I-40, clocking it at 86 miles per hour in a 65 mile per hour zone. A routine stop turns into a pursuit as the driver refuses to pull over, weaving through traffic and hitting over 110 miles per hour.
Honda Accord, so we're going to go 280 eastbound. It's still rolling. I'm 1037. Guys, Mountain City. TBI.
Where you at?
Eastbound by Mountain City. Driver's out of the vehicle. He's walking back westbound. Come here! Come here! Come to me! Come to me! Show me your hands! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get up. Put your chest on the hood.
I'm hurt, man.
I got an ambulance coming. Put your chest on the hood. Do not stand up again.
I'm hurt, man.
Well, then laying down will probably help you out.
Oh, can y'all call my people, man?
Why would I worry about calling your people? Come back here.
Man, y'all just ran somebody.
Have a seat. Sit all right.